Amniocentesis and Karyotyping explanation. Have you ever wondered how doctors can study the chromosomes of a baby before it is born? This is made possible through a procedure called amniocentesis. Today, we're going to learn what amniocentesis is, why it's performed, and how it helps create karyotypes to provide important genetic information. Amniocentesis is a medical procedure usually performed between the 15th and 20th weeks of pregnancy. It involves extracting a small sample of amniotic fluid from the amniotic sac surrounding the baby. This fluid contains cells shed by the fetus that carry its genetic information. Here's how it works. Using ultrasound imaging for guidance, a doctor inserts a thin needle through the mother's abdomen into the amniotic sac. This step is done with great care to avoid harming the baby or the mother. Once the needle is in place, a small amount of amniotic fluid is drawn into a syringe. The procedure usually takes around 10 minutes. The collected amniotic fluid is sent to a laboratory where scientists isolate fetal cells. These cells are then cultured to encourage them to divide, making it easier to observe the chromosomes. Next, the chromosomes are stained and photographed under a microscope. Scientists arrange the chromosomes into a chart called a karyotype. A karyotype displays the complete set of chromosomes, organized by size, shape, and number. Karyotypes are incredibly useful. They can reveal chromosomal abnormalities such as Down syndrome, which occurs when there is an extra copy of chromosome 21, or Turner syndrome, where there is a missing sex chromosome. They also determine the baby's biological sex. Amniocentesis is typically recommended for mothers over 35, those with a family history of genetic conditions, or if screening tests indicate a possible problem. It helps families make informed decisions and prepare for the future. Like any medical procedure, amniocentesis carries some risks. These include a slight chance of miscarriage, infection, or injury to the baby. However, when performed by skilled professionals, the risks are very low. So what's the takeaway? Amniocentesis provides critical information about a baby's health and development. By creating a karyotype, scientists and doctors can detect genetic conditions and provide families with the knowledge they need. Understanding these medical tools helps us appreciate the science that supports healthy pregnancies and informed healthcare decisions. Thanks for learning with us today.